Here's my 68 Vatera I mounted my GoPro on. And this is the plate that it came mounted on in the box when I picked it up. And I drilled 2 holes here, and then a quarter of a turn I drilled 2 more holes here so I can turn it, because this mount's made on there one way. And then I just used all these different mounts so I could get my camera out and angle it on the side. But it fits right on the spare tire mount. And I just put a bungee on the top. I got this little mini bungee that holds it on too. But you can see all the dang. And then I can move this back and forth, swing it back, forward, up, down. So that's the whole deal there.